Mihira, your husband has sustained a moderate sprain to his ankle. We've immobilized it in a splint to reduce swelling and pain. It's important to keep his foot elevated as much as possible.
I understand. How long will he be off his feet?
Typically, ankle sprains take a few weeks to heal completely. We'll reassess in a week to see how it's progressing. In the meantime, using crutches will help him get around.
Crutches? That sounds difficult.
I know it's inconvenient, Mihira, but it's essential to avoid putting weight on the injured ankle. Proper care now will prevent complications and speed up recovery. We'll teach you how to use the crutches safely.
Will he need physical therapy after this?
It's likely we'll recommend physical therapy to strengthen the ankle and restore the full range of motion once the swelling has subsided. Mihira, let's talk about the next steps, focusing on your treatment plan. This plan is designed specifically for you to help manage your kidney health effectively. First, we'll be looking at your medications. These are carefully selected to support your kidney function, control your blood pressure, manage any fluid retention, and ensure your body has the right balance of minerals. It's really important that you take these exactly as prescribed. They play a vital role in slowing down the progression of your condition. Next, we'll discuss your diet. This is a significant part of managing kidney disease. We'll work with a dietitian to tailor a plan that helps control the intake of certain nutrients like sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, which can accumulate when kidneys aren't functioning optimally. The right diet can make a huge difference in how you feel day to day. Connected to diet are fluid restrictions. Your kidneys are less able to remove excess fluid, so we'll need to monitor your fluid intake carefully to prevent swelling and breathlessness. We'll give you clear guidelines on how much fluid is safe for you each day. Finally, we'll establish your dialysis schedule. This is a crucial treatment that takes over the work of your kidneys, filtering waste products and excess fluid from your blood. We'll make sure the schedule fits into your life as smoothly as possible, whether it's in center or at home, depending on what's best for you. Now, I want to gently stress the importance of adhering to this plan. I know it might seem like a lot to take in right now, but consistently following these guidelines is absolutely essential. By sticking to your medications, managing your diet and fluids, and keeping up with your dialysis, we can work together to prevent further decline in your kidney function. This will also help immensely in minimizing your symptoms, making you feel much more comfortable and significantly reducing the need for hospitalizations. We are here to support you every step of the way, and we'll ensure you have all the resources and understanding you need. Please feel free to ask any questions that come to mind.